Hi everyone, this is Debbie, and in this video we will make a fluffy yogurt cake. Let's begin with dividing 4 eggs. So just blend the egg yolks a little bit. Now add half a cup of sugar and 1 packet of vanilla sugar. You can get the vanilla sugar on Amazon or you can use some vanilla extract instead. But the vanilla sugar enhances the flavor, so you might want to get some or even make it yourself. Stir the egg mix until it is nice and smooth and kind of pale yellowish in color. Now add 1.5 cups of plain Greek yogurt to the egg mix. I use Greek yogurt because it is nice and thick. I also use a regular one, not low fat or fat free. That doesn't really work. Stir the mixture until you have all those little lumps out. Take a strainer and add 3/4 cup cornstarch and 1 teaspoon baking powder in it. Sift it into the bowl. Again, mix it until no more lumps are visible. Beat the 4 egg whites until stiff peaks are formed. So now, here comes the critical and important part. We are folding the egg whites into the yogurt mixture. First, I will use a whisk and very gently mix it. Then, I will pour the yogurt mixture in the leftover egg whites and fold it together with a spatula very carefully again. You can use the whisk, but I fold better with my spatula. So let's do it. You see how light and fluffy it is? That's how it should look like. Prepare a baking pan. I used the 8-inch with parchment paper. Since this cake will be baked in a water bath and my pan is not sealed on the bottom, I have to use aluminum foil to seal it, but it works. Grease the bottom and sides with oil. Pour the dough into the baking pan and level out the top. Seal the bottom of the baking pan properly with the aluminum foil. We do not want it to get wet. Let's pour in some water and bake the cake for 30 minutes on 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then turn it down to 230 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 20 minutes. Doesn't this look awesome? Light and fluffy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.